Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is November 27. The chart of the day is Tesla today, 60 minutes time frame. We are currently looking for wave 4 pullback in the form of ABC, right? And once the ABC pullback is complete, we can then continue to go higher again. Now, I think over here, instead of focusing too much on what wave and so on, I think we can take a look at it from a higher level point of view. And the idea is that it remains bullish. That's the idea. And if there is any pullback from the peak, which at the moment is this one is the peak, then any kind of pullback from the peak can continue to find buyers in the sequence of 3 or 7 swing. Now here is a 3 swing, right? And we can find buyers and then continues to go higher. So it remains to be a bullish market in 3 or 7 swing. Now if you look at the higher time frame on the weekly, then that's even more obvious. Now here is the weekly time frame, right? So we got all-time high back in 2021 here at $400, and then it crashed to $100, found a bottom here, and starts to rally again. Now you might say, well, look at the rally in the weekly. It is already at the 100% extension. So couldn't it fail and go down again? You might say, because if you are bearish of the stock, you might say, well, this is the first leg, and this is the second leg as a 3 waves, and then it crashed down again. Now, is that possible though? Because if you crash down below this 2023 low, then technically you're gonna measure the target like this, right? This is your first leg, this is your second leg, and it can go to $50. Now I don't know whether that's possible or not. You can decide yourself whether it's possible for Tesla to go to $50, going back to the 2020 again. Now I would not try to speculate on that. I would rather be on the long side, and I would rather say, well, this is the major low in Tesla, all right, and then from here you got a new bullish leg. Now it doesn't necessarily mean we're gonna repeat what happened here again, right? Maybe the easy money is already done, maybe, right? I could be wrong, but it could be done. If that's the case, then the next move up is going to be a lot more choppy or a lot more difficult to have, right? It's not going to be ultra bullish like this, right? It is possible, or it can get even a triangle, right? It can get into triangle, sideways pattern, but overall, I think it is less likely we're gonna crash back again, and then you can count this. I don't believe you can count this as an ABC and then it crash down again, going to $50. I think it's not as realistic in my opinion. And so now we are left with the idea that, okay, if that's the case, then this is a major low back in 2023, and even if you want to call it as a major low here, now this one, look at the rally from the low here. Right, this is already at the 100% extension, but eventually it could continue to see more upside, especially this rally here. It looks like a 1 2 3 to me, right? It looks like a 1 2 3 and needs a 4 and a 5. That's what it looks to me. And so I think the shorter cycle will continue to be bullish, and this is the peak at the shorter cycle right now, and therefore any kind of pullback coming down from the peak, if you can see a clear 3 waves, it will find support. If you see a 7 swing like this is a 7 swing, it will find support again. So it will continue to find support at the 100% extension area from the latest peak in the shorter cycle, which is basically over here is the latest peak. And so currently we're calling for this pullback, and we should be looking for the support again once we can measure what the target is from the C leg down. All right, so that's the idea here, and as always, you can get more updates on Tesla or any other stock, ETF, Forex, commodities in our service, you can try 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.